Hello, Leo. Hello, Pip. What a beautiful sunny day. Why don't we go to the beach? All right, let's get ready to go. Do you have everything you need? A towel, sunscreen, an umbrella, a camera. What else? Oh, and of course, Puggy. Right on time. Here comes the bus. We're here. What a beautiful place. Uh-oh, someone left their trash. That's not very nice. Hey, it's a whale! Looks like she found an empty water bottle in the ocean. We need to do something about all this garbage. What can we do to help? A beach cleanup. That's a great idea. It's always easier when you have friends helping. Be careful. Some trash can be dangerous to touch. Great job, you two. It's important that anything that can be recycled goes with the recycling. Good boy, Puggy. Anything that can't be recycled goes in the garbage. Now the recycling can go to a recycling center where it belongs. It's so clean! Look what can happen when everyone works together. Now let's really have some fun. A water park! Time to party! Great idea, Leo! Everybody smile! 1, 2, 3!